In September 2002, astronomers discovered this asteroid in an unusual orbit around the Earth. This surprised the astronomers because, as far as they knew, the only natural object that orbited Earth was the Moon. And so this strange object couldn't be an asteroid. It had to be something that was made by us. As it turned out, this was in fact the Saturn V third stage, which launched the Apollo 12 astronauts to the Moon. This rocket left Earth in 1969 and went on a crazy journey, unknown to everyone, before returning to Earth 30 years later. But what happened to this rocket? And why did it end up on such a weird journey? The Saturn V rocket had 3 stages. The first stage burned for about 2.5 minutes and got them to an altitude of 61 kilometers. From there, the second stage would burn for around 6 minutes, taking them higher and faster. It was then up to the third and final stage to do a short burn and get the spacecraft into orbit. Once it was in a stable orbit, the third stage would be fired up again to perform the translunar injection burn, sending the rocket and crew on a trajectory to intersect the Moon. Once the Apollo crew were safely on their way to the Moon, the third stage would separate and NASA would try to discard it. On previous Apollo missions, they aimed to place it into an orbit around the Sun, where it would remain for thousands of years. In order to get into this orbit, NASA aimed to meet the Moon on its trailing side, where the Moon's gravity would slingshot the rocket away from Earth and into a solar orbit. For NASA, an orbit like this is a good investment because it means the object won't get in the way of future missions. But things didn't quite work out for Apollo 12.